Welcome back to a new unboxing video of Sehun's Bluetooth speaker, and I hope you are all doing fine and eating well and taking care of yourself. I'm really happy for this package or this speaker itself because I really want this one, but it's really expensive and I think I can buy other merch than this one. So I waited and waited and I found one that it sells a very low price, and I think this is worth it, and double check it if it's official or the China made items and not official. So let's watch it. I'm very careful to open this. And look at me struggling to open it very carefully and not want to damage it and acting so foolish. I don't know because I didn't watch any unboxing video of this speaker because I'm kinda get jealous. So look, I figured it out. And now it's time to test it out if it's working or not. I searched a little how to connect it to the phone. Read the manual. And you can also see my sound screen, and it is connected to Bluetooth EXO. And we're going to open the Spotify. And guys, don't forget to stream Don't Fight the Feeling, and let's get that 100 million. And I'm going to test other song if the Bluetooth was fast or connecting very fast. And again, thank you for watching, guys.